what I did. See, when I get this marker and I tap it on the metal bottle, it vibrates. If I tap it, it only makes a small sound, a soft sound, so there's less vibration. But if I hit it, it will make more vibration and there will be more sound. Or when you shout, if you whisper, you make a soft sound. But if you shout, "Ah!" then you make a loud sound. You can do that with many different things, like this bottle and the marker. You tap the bottle with some type of sort of thing, and then we can have some vibration. For example, if you throw something, then there will be more vibration. But if you accidentally drop something, do it beep 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 beep, then there will be less vibration. So if you throw something, see, it makes a larger vibration. But if you only drop something, like this pencil, it creates a light sound. So that is all about what we're gonna talk about today. Sound waves. Here are the main ideas. First, you make the sound. Then, first you make the sound, okay? Next, it goes into your ear and then your eardrum. Here, into the eardrum. Then, your brain hears the sound. And I know that is the tapping of the bottle. Just like the brain makes the sound into what is causing the sound. So that is one way we can make some type of sound waves. What about this? Well, you see, sound moves fast through air. Sound moves faster from liquid. See, there's water in this bottle and it shakes. Here's sound. Okay, that's the sound of it moves through air. Then look. Sound moves fastest through solids. See, it goes fast through my air. But now, the water is going to both of my ears. And I don't know which ear to begin with. And also, the water is transmitting all of its sound to both of my ears. So I don't know which side is the water, which side is not. Finally, sound moves faster in water. The sound moves through air. Sound moves through solid and sound moves through water. You shake the bottle like this, it goes through water. Shake the bottle like this, it also goes through water. So that is some type of describing sound waves by matter. See? Sound waves that are made by matter. See, if I tap this, I mean soft sound, but if I hit this, a loud sound will be made. So, tell you again, if you hit something very hard, there, if you hit something very hard, then it will make a large sound. So it will make a large sound when you hit something. But if you only tap something, if it's only tapping something, then it will create a smaller sound. Lump. Lump. It goes lump. So this is like tap and hit. Then the sound moves fast through air. Sound moves faster through water. See? Sound moves even faster through water. So sound in water spreads everywhere. And then finally, sound moves fastest through solid. Sound moves faster through solid. And you scream. Now, this is how sound moves through air, through solid, and through liquid. Now let's begin with our vocabulary section. The first word in our vocabulary section is sound wave. It is the energy that moves through the air as sound. Sound wave. The trident drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See? Sound is the energy that moves through air as sound. Sound wave is the energy that moves through air as sound. So maybe we'll call it sound wave because it is a wave of sound. Whew! See, you can hear the sound. Now look, here is your face. Then you scream. Ah! It hits a wall and it goes back. Ah! 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 Is it someone screaming back? No, it is an echo. When you're up high in the mountains and here you are, you shout. Ka 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 doo doo doo. You shout ka 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 doo doo doo. Ka 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 doo doo doo. Ka 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 doo doo. Ka 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 doo doo. if you shout cock-a-doodle-doo here, if you shout cock-a-doodle-doo, then there will be an echo. Cock-a-doodle-doo, 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 cock-a-doodle-doo. So that is what echo means. Echo is the sound that goes through some kind of surface and then back to you. So that is an echo. So I'll tell you again, an echo is the sound that goes to a surface and then back to you. Then, what about vibrate? Vibrate is something that moves very fast through the air and sound. For example, if the wall is here, and then you are right here shouting, then what if you shout, rah, 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 and then an echo bounces back to you, okay? If you shout, ah, then that is a vibration. So, a vibration moves very fast through the air, like this. Ah! The sound goes very fast and fast and fast and fast and fast and fast. So you go fast and then faster and 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 faster. That goes super fast. So if you shout like this, then the sound will bounce off the wall and then come back to you like this. Ah! 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 Like this. If you shout, ah! Then you hear the echo. Ah! You hear the echo. The echo comes from walls. The echo comes from walls, alright? This is a wall and you shout, ah! Then there will be an echo. So I'll tell you again, an echo is actually something that bounces off the wall and back to you. So those are the words for this lesson. Now let's move to the main idea. First, you make the sound. So if you shout la 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 la. So that is the word la la la, and it makes a sound. Then it goes into your eardrum, and then finally you hear the sound like this. La 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 la. It goes into your ear. La la la. La la goes into your eardrum, and la 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 la. You hear it, and you know the brain knows that is the sound. So the brain turns the word blah 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 la 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 into words, which means song. So that is one of the main ideas. Your brain hears the sound. Alright? Your brain hears the sound. The brain hears the sound, alright? It hears the sound. For example, this is your brain. Then your brain hears the sound. If you kick something, like, it creates a sound. But if you kick a rock, it makes large vibration. So it will go even faster. So that is what it means. Now, actually, let's just move to sound move fastest, faster, and fast. Sound moves fast through air. Sound moves faster in water, and sound moves fastest through solids. It goes fast through air because air is very dense, and then we shout, "Ah!" It goes fast. But it moves even faster in water. For example, a blue whale makes a giant sound, boom, and then it goes slowly to two of your ears. It goes right toward the two of your ears. So you can't decide where is the blue whale. So that's why it moves faster in water, and sound moves fastest through solids. Like it moves faster to solid. Da, da, da. It's a big solid, like the boxer's talking about. So that is why it moves fastest through solids. So now that is the end of the vocabulary and main idea section. So now have a short break and come back and we'll do the speaking section. So don't go away. So now, are you ready for the speaking section? So let's begin. Our speaking section is about sound waves. Sound is a type of energy, okay? Sound is a type of energy. That type of sound or that energy can move through air, water, or solids. It can move through water. Boo! It can move through air. Boo! Or it can move through solids. Da, 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 ooh. Ooh! Ooh! Magic. No, it's gone. So, now let's begin with the speaking section. Looks like I ran out of space in the board, so we don't need a marker now. Bye-bye. So, let's begin with the speaking section. Bye-bye, marker. Let's begin. Sound is a type of energy. Sound can move through solids, liquids, and the gases. So that's how sound moves fastest through solids. Now that you know the main part of the speaking section, let's move into the main idea and detail part. The details of sound. Sound can move through air, water, and gases, alright? So it can move through the air around you. And it can move through water. Now what else? Actually, you can hear loud sounds better than soft sounds. You can hear loud sounds better than soft sounds. Soft sounds are sounds like this. A loud sound is Good job. Now that you know what soft sounds and loud sounds is, let's move on. Now we're gonna talk about how they move through things. So, for example, if you go like this, la, you make a soft sound. There's not much vibration in your voice. So when you go blah, no, 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 no vibration. No soft vibration. But if you go la, then you make a loud sound. There's lots of vibration. When you make a soft sound, the sound will be little. If you make a loud sound, the amount of air and the amount of sound you use is larger than when you whisper. When you speak, shout, ah, or whisper. Then the vibrations around you will move. They will go into your eardrums and then move into your brain. Your brain will hear the sound and then change the sounds into words that the brain and you understand. So, now, as you know, let's just move on with echoes. What are echoes? Echoes are sounds that are moved from one place ta, to the other ta, and then bounces off. Ta, 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 ta. Just like when you're on the mountain and you shout ka 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 doo doo doo. Then the sound, the ka 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 doo doo doo, then will go down and down and down the mountain and make an echo. And you shout again, ka-ka-ka-doo-doo-doo, and then it will go ka-ka-ka-doo-doo-doo, 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 ka-ka-ka-doo-doo-doo. So that is an echo. The echo slowly drowns away. Just like when you shout ka-ka-ka-doo-doo-doo, 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 ka-ka-ka-doo-doo. Then that is just like ka-ka-ka-doo-doo-doo, 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 ka-ka-ka-doo-doo-doo. So just like it makes a tornado when you make an echo. When it bounces off something, you shout la la la, and then you hear la 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 la. The sound bounces off the ground. The echo like that. If you're on a mountain, it's pretty scary, but it's also fun. You can play with your echo. Echoes are pretty fun to play with, but still, do not let yourself fall down the mountain, because mountains are huge. And they can stand 1,000 feet away from your village, town, city, or countryside. So be careful not to drown, or maybe fall. Or maybe if you see that there is some place that has no rocks, you can just easily slide down. If you want to get back to safety, or if you want, you can get your phone and call 911. Just probably not if you have that situation. So now that is what an echo means. So let's move on with some of the reading section questions. So let's begin with the reading section question. The first reading section question is, sound moves through blah blah blah. An echo is a sound that goes to a blah 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 place and then bounces off back to you. So what is that? Remember in the vocabulary section, I said that an echo is actually something that moves to a blocking place and then goes back to you. So the three answers A, B, C, blocking, sand, and water. What do you choose? Of course you choose A. A, blocking place. A blocking place is where it blocks your sound wave and then goes back to you and then goes back, goes back, goes back, goes back. And then the mountain explodes. Because too many voices. And then it will explode, and that's the end of it. So that is the answer of the first question. Let's move on with the next question. We need these two rulers. What does this mean? And what does this mean? And what does this mean? I'll answer the two blanks for you, and then the last blank, I think you'll figure it out. This means hit, happen, and that is hit sound. So now you know what are vibrations. I made a lot of vibrations in today's lessons. Today we've learned about vibration. Lesson 15 in our science book. That is the last lesson in this book. You see, this is lesson 15, alright? Moving on, this is workbook. So we have student book. So this book contains the student book and it contains the workbook. Also the other books that we finished, they also contain the student book and the workbook. So if you like my channel, make sure to like and subscribe me more at WorldCom Edu. Write my name, Ryan Sturridge, or maybe Tommy or something, and then write American textbook reading, write out your favorite lesson, and then write my name, Ryan Sturridge. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe me more at Studying English with Tommy. So, bye!